Guys, it's Thursday. Today it's going to be another kind of easy, pretty quick day to do the form. And all the form's going to ask you today is if the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So if lines are parallel, the slope has to be the same. So this first example here, see how that's a 2 and that's a 2. Sorry. The slope is the number in front of x. So since this one has a slope of 2, and this one also has a slope of 2, these are parallel. So then you can pick parallel. It'll be a multiple choice form. So you're just going to click parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Now, if they're perpendicular, they have to have a positive and a negative. So see, that has a negative in front of it, and that has a positive. So that's looking good, but it has to be reciprocals. And we've been practicing reciprocals. So remember, all whole numbers are actually over 1. So that's 1 over 3. This is 3 over 1, so they're flipped. And they have opposite signs, so that means that they're perpendicular. Okay, so you'll choose perpendicular. But remember, they have to have opposite signs. It can't just be flipped. It has to be both. Okay, this one would not work because that's a positive and that's a negative, so that's looking good, but they're not flipped. That would have to be 1/2 and negative 2 over 1. So this, you would choose your choice of neither. Okay? Now, it's not just if they're negative positive. So these have nothing in common at all. This is a 2/3, that's a 2/7. It's not flipped. You have a positive, negative. That is a neither also. Okay, so when you do the form today, if the slopes are identical, 2 in front of the x, 2 in front of the x, parallel. If they are flipped, 1/3, 3 over 1, and positive, negative, they're perpendicular. And if they're not flipped, even if they have opposite signs, please choose neither. And then some of them just won't be related at all. So they'll be neither. So hopefully that'll help you get through the form. It'll be a real quick one. And I hope you guys are having a good day. Take care of yourselves and get caught up on any makeup work. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.